Welcome back to MODA by Malcolm Academy. I am Malcolm Oluwafumini Ayo of MODA by Malcolm. So today I'll be showing you how to alter a pattern block for an uneven shoulder figure problem. Stay tuned. So uneven shoulder is when one shoulder is higher than the other shoulder, and this actually causes problem when it comes to fitting because it will look as if the other shoulder is not properly done. So let's see how to correct that. So for this correction, you will need your full scale pattern. That is, you will need to have the center front, the center back, full back. So you'll be able to alter the particular shoulder that needs to be worked on. So for the course of this tutorial, I'll be working on the right hand side of my block pattern. So all you need to do is to measure either ½ inch to 3/4 or 3/4 inch. You measure from the tip of the shoulder on the arm, just as illustrated here. Then you roll to the neck point, you fold it the other way around, or you fold it to yourself just as shown. I am working on the center back and I'm done with the center back. So right now I'm going to do same on center front. You can see that you need to be extremely careful so not to mix it up. So that is why I'm showing you that you need to place it together in order for you to do the right thing. So now I just marked my center front and I'm going to take the row. I'm going to connect to the neck point, then fold it backwards as well. Yes, if you're yet to like or subscribe to this channel, please do so. So you can see I have my center front and I have my center back. By the time you place together, you will see that I actually worked on the right side of my block. So this is how it should be. So by the time you're cutting, you know you are cutting the right side of shoulder. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Please share with a friend because a friend might need it. Thank you. I love you. See you in next class.